Hi, my name is Tatiana Torres. I am currently a senior in high school, but I started this project back when I was a junior. After sustaining a head injury when I was 13 years old, so 4 years ago, I had lost all hope, and having a headache 24/7 wasn't just physically exhausting in itself, but it was also very mentally exhausting. After a year of having this chronic illness, my mom took me to go get therapy, and I was so against it that I didn't even look my doctor in the eye until our second or third appointment. I started implementing what I learned in therapy into my life. And after I learned all this, I started to teach myself how to paint, how to bake, a ton of different coping mechanisms that has helped me cope with my specific situation. When the pandemic occurred, when I was a sophomore, it became evident that mental health needs to be talked about way more, and not only just in my small community, but in other communities all around the world. I realized I was lucky enough to have the money and resources to get therapy, but many kids do not have this. In my experiences, I really realized how much mental health has affected my own life, and I wanted to share my story and my resources with my community and to many communities as I can. And so I ended up last year creating a website called Calm For You. So I do art tutorials, I also do like calm music, and I've also expanded my services to TikTok and Instagram. And you can also find just, positive quotes, self-care. It's been definitely a really fun experience. I think what's most rewarding is that you get to see all the people around you and see how your work has affected them. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.